Welcome to Afflys, the ultimate destination for those aspiring to achieve wealth, luxury, and success through dedication and hard work. Today we're going to talk about one of the most crucial aspects of building wealth: investing wisely. We've gathered some top tips from financial experts to help you make informed decisions and grow your wealth. If you're ready to start your journey towards affluence, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Number 1. Start early. One of the most powerful tools in investing is time. The earlier you start investing, the more you can take advantage of compound interest, allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. Number 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even commodities to reduce risk. Number 3. Do your research. Before you invest in anything, make sure you understand what you're investing in. Read up on the company, market trends, and seek advice from financial experts. Number 4. Stay informed. The financial markets are constantly changing. Keep yourself updated with the latest news and trends to make informed investment decisions. Number 5. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve with your investments. Whether it's buying a house, funding your child's education, or retirement, having clear goals will guide your investment strategy. Number 6. Keep emotions in check. Investing can be emotional, especially during market fluctuations. Stick to your plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Number 7. Regularly review your portfolio. Periodically check your investments to ensure they align with your goals. Rebalance if necessary to maintain your desired asset allocation. Number 8. Invest in what you understand. Stick to industries and businesses you are familiar with. If you understand the business model and industry trends, you're more likely to make informed investment choices. Number 9. Consider professional advice. Don't hesitate to seek help from financial advisors or investment professionals. They can provide valuable insights and help you create a robust investment strategy. Number 10. Be patient. Building wealth through investing takes time. Stay committed to your long-term goals and don't be discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. And there you have it, 10 expert tips for investing wisely. By following these strategies, you can make informed decisions and grow your wealth steadily. Thank you for watching Afflys. Remember, the road to affluence starts with a single step. Keep striving, stay motivated, and together we'll achieve greatness. See you in the next video.